is a fun morning meeting slide where you can have your students collaborate together, where multiple students will join the document and they're able to add their response onto that document. You can ask them daily questions, and what's great about this is every single day they can enter this notebook and go to that question, and you can see how your students respond over time. What is something that you can teach the teacher? Maybe another question, what is your favorite dance move? Bonus, they actually do that move. Over here, what's your favorite song? They can add a YouTube video. So students can respond to these different prompts by using multimedia. And then what you can do as a teacher is you're able to look over those responses and then have a classroom discussion with your students and using this throughout the year. One of my favorite features is right here, this eyeball. I can turn off page comments so that the video will appear here when I hover over that little dot. So again, if you don't want all of those comments over on that side, you can turn on or off page comments. When I'm ready to ask another question, I can come onto that document. So for example, right here, grab that text box and I'm able to type a new question. What are you feeling grateful for today? My students, again, can come into this document, answer that question using any of the tools to write their response. We're able to use it kind of as that think. Then we can either pair up and have my students work together, and then we can talk about it. We're able to have conversations with what are they feeling grateful for today, right? And so I can come in here, I can grab this and write my family. I'm feeling really grateful for my family. I can also put who is someone you are grateful for. So if I want to put a who, again, the next day, I can come right here and I can ask them, who is someone you are grateful for? My students can answer that response down below. So this is a great way for every single day. They get a new question on their little binder. And then again, we're able to work together to collaborate to see how other students are responding to the different prompts. And again, if I hover over, I'm able to see who and which students responded with what. Also, what I love about using a Kami document is my students can't delete each other's work or activities. So if we are working together and a student doesn't like an answer, they're not able to delete it unless they wrote it. So that can be really helpful. A great place to find these questions, this was introduced to me by my friend Kat, is right here. These little cards have some really great questions. What made you smile today? As you can see. What are you holding on to that you need to let go of? Some of these reflection questions can be great for morning meetings. And again, all you have to do is pick one question a day, ask it to your students using this collaborative document. You could also assign this in your learning management system where every student would get their own copy if you don't want a collaborative activity. But again, sometimes it's really fun to see each other's responses because your students can also come in, use these stickers right here, and they can respond to each other. Okay, so they can also respond to each other. They can leave comments or a text or audio response to another classmate if they notice something that their friends or that they see on this document.